Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, the ocean was calling, the breeze was so gentle. Me wasn't looking for love, but somehow love found me on the island. Me walked alone by the crystal sea. Never thought love was waiting for me. The golden sun kissed the morning sky. Then I saw your beautiful smile nearby. The palm trees swayed to a reggae beat. Our eyes met where the waves would meet. From that first glance, me heart just knew Jah led me straight to you. Me wasn't searching for someone new. Life was simple, the days rolled through, but destiny had another plan. The moment you reached for my hand, like the sunrise after the rain, you healed every hidden pain. Every heartbeat whispered low, this is the love you're meant to know. Love found me on the island, like sunshine on the sea. You came and changed my whole world with your sweet melody. Love found me on the island where the palm trees gently sway. We thank Jah every single morning for bringing you my way. Oh girl, you are my paradise. Me forever love your smile. Now every sunset feels brand new. Every dream begins with you. Walking barefoot on the golden sand, holding tightly to your hand. The moonlight dances across your face. Nothing else could take your place. The ocean sings our love so true. Every wave reminds me of you. Me don't need riches, me don't need fame. Just hearing you softly call me name, that's enough to fill my soul. Your loving heart makes me whole. Love found me on the island when I least expected love, like a blessing sent from heaven, straight from Java. Love found me on the island underneath Caribbean skies. Every time I look at you, I see forever in your eyes. Oh girl, sometimes love comes quietly, like the evening breeze. It doesn't ask permission, it simply changes your life. Me thank Jah every day for this beautiful blessing. Years may pass like the rolling tide, still will keep you by my side. Every wrinkle, every smile will be worth every mile. We'll dance beneath the stars each night, holding each other so warm and tight. The music plays, our hearts agree. This is where we're meant to be. No matter where this road may go, one thing we will always know: the greatest gift me ever knew was the day we found you. Love found me on the island Jah. Some people search the whole world, looking for a place to belong, but me found home the very first time your lips touch mine. Your kiss feels like home. Me was walking on this lonely road, carrying a heavy heart and soul. Then you came like the morning light, turning darkness into something bright. Your smile was sweeter than the ocean breeze. You brought my restless heart to peace. The first time our eyes became one, we knew my searching days were done. No fancy words, no grand display, just one soft kiss that changed my day. From that moment me heart could see you were Jah's gift sent to me. Every heartbeat calls your name, nothing in my life's the same. When you're close, my spirit knows this is where true love grows. Your kiss feels like home, where my lonely heart belongs. Like the ocean meets the shore, I've been waiting all along. Your kiss feels like home, safe inside your loving arms. Every touch, every smile wraps my soul with endless warmth. Oh girl, every time you kiss me slow, me know I'm finally home. Walking barefoot along the sand, holding tightly to your hand. The sunset paints the evening sky, while love shines deep inside your eyes. The reggae music softly plays, taking us back to better days. The moonlight dances on the sea, like Jah smiling down on you and me. Me don't need castles made of gold, your loving heart is worth much more. Every hug, every gentle kiss feels like paradise and bliss. Your kiss feels like home, where every fear disappears. You dry away my silent tears and calm my deepest fears. Your kiss feels like home, like sunshine after rain. Every moment spent with you heals my every pain. Oh girl, home isn't just a place, it's the feeling of being loved completely. Every time your lips touch mine, me heart whispers, thank you, Jah. When the years begin to pass us by, and silver fills our hair with time, we'll still look into your eyes and see the love that never dies. We'll laugh together through every year, celebrate every smile and tear. No matter where this life may roam, your love will always lead me home. Every prayer me lift above is filled with gratitude and love. Jah knew exactly what to do the day he brought me close to you. Your kiss feels like home, the sweetest place I've ever known. No matter where this life may lead, I'll never walk alone. Your kiss feels like home, a blessing from above. With every beat inside my heart, I'll treasure your true love. Oh yeah, your kiss feels like home, forever and ever. Yeah man, home isn't made of walls, home is where love lives. Home is where two hearts become one. And every time you kiss me, me know me exactly where me belong. Your kiss feels like home. Mm. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, the sun is going down. The sky is painted in gold. And tonight, there's only one place we want to be, wrapped in your arms. The evening breeze is calling our names as the sunset lights the ocean waves. Your gentle smile shines brighter than gold. A love so beautiful my heart can hold. Remember when you came my way, like sunshine at the break of day. You touched my soul with tender grace. No heaven lives inside your embrace. Barefoot walking on the island sand, with your soft fingers holding my hand. Every step feels like destiny. Jah wrote this love for you and me. The sky turns orange, red, and blue. Every color reminds me of you. As the daylight fades away, my heart has only one thing to say. Sunset wrapped in your arms, that's where we belong. Every heartbeat sings your name, like a sweet reggae song. Sunset wrapped in your arms, watching the evening glow. Nothing in this whole wide world could ever love me so. Oh girl, hold me close tonight. Everything feels so right. The ocean whispers a love so true. Every little wave reminds me of you. The palm trees dance with the island breeze, bringing my restless heart to peace. Me don't need riches, me don't need fame, just hearing you softly call my name. Your loving eyes are all I need. They're every answer to my dreams. The stars begin to fill the sky, like little blessings shining in high. Me thank Jah every single day for bringing you into my way. Sunset wrapped in your arms, love that feels so real. Every touch and every kiss shows me how true love feels. Sunset wrapped in your arms, together we'll always stay, forever dancing to this rhythm till the break of day. Oh girl, the sunset may disappear, but my love never will. Every tomorrow I'll still be right here, holding you near. When the years begin to pass us by, we'll still watch every evening sky, laughing as the daylight fades, remembering the memories we've made. Me promise through the joy and pain, I'll choose your love again and again. With every sunrise, every night, you'll always be my guiding light. The ocean may never stop its flow, just like my love continues to grow. Forever together, hand in hand, the happiest hearts in this beautiful land. Sunset wrapped in your arms, the greatest place to be. Every dream has come alive because you're here with me. Sunset wrapped in your arms, forever side by side, with Jah's blessings over us. We'll enjoy this beautiful ride. Oh, sunset wrapped in your arms, forever and always. Yeah, man. Sun may set, but our love will never fade. Tomorrow another and we'll still be here, holding you close. Sunset wrapped in your arms. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, tonight the moon is shining bright. The ocean is singing our melody. Come closer, my darling. Let the music carry us away. Our hearts dance together. Oh, me remember the first time we held each other. Two lonely souls discovering one another. The island breeze whispered through the trees, bringing your sweet love closer to me. The sunset painted colors in the sky, as happiness sparkled in your eyes. Me never knew love could feel so free, until Jah brought you close to me. Barefoot walking where the waves kiss the shore. Every moment makes me love you more. Your gentle touch, your sweet embrace, brings peace that nothing can replace. Every little smile you give makes me grateful just to live. When your hand reaches out to mine, everything feels so divine. Our hearts dance together like the waves upon the sea. Every beat plays one sweet rhythm, a love made for you and me. Our hearts dance together underneath the stars above. Every step we take together is another song of love. Oh girl, stay right here forever. Let our hearts dance together. The reggae music softly fills the air, with nothing but true love everywhere. The palm trees sway to the island groove as our hearts begin to move. We don't need fortune, we don't need fame. Your loving heart is my greatest gain. Every sunrise starts with your smile, making every journey worthwhile. When the rain comes pouring down, I'll still be here when you're around. We'll keep dancing through every storm, holding each other safe and warm. Our hearts dance together like the moonlight and the tide. No matter where this road may lead, you'll always be by my side. Our hearts dance together. Every day feels brand new. Me thank Jah for every blessing, especially the gift of you. Oh girl, love isn't measured by riches, it's measured by every promise kept. Every hug, every kiss, every moment we choose each other. Jah brought us together, and we'll never let you go. Years may come and years may go, but my love will only grow. Silver hair and weather dance, still dancing to the same sweet band. We'll laugh about the days gone by, watching sunsets fill the sky. Every wrinkle tells our story, a lifetime filled with love and glory. We'll keep choosing you each day, no matter what comes our way, because the greatest joy I've ever known is making your heart my home. Our hearts dance together forever side by side. Nothing in this whole wide world can stop this joyful ride. Our hearts dance together till the stars may grow quiet, the night may slowly fade, but our love keeps dancing with every sunrise, with every heartbeat, with every blessing Jah gives. Our hearts dance together. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, the ocean is calm tonight. The moon is shining on the waves. When I look into your eyes, I see forever. Forever in your loving eyes. Me was walking through a lonely life, searching for peace in the darkest nights. Then just sent you into my way, and everything changed from that day. Your smile was brighter than the morning sun. A brand new chapter had begun. When your eyes looked deep into mine, me knew this love was heaven's sign. The ocean breeze whispered softly near, carrying away every doubt and fear. Me found a place where my soul could rest. Inside your heart I found the best. Every little look you give to me feels like endless serenity. When you smile, my spirit flies. Forever in your loving eyes. Forever in your loving eyes. That's where my heart belongs. Every glance feels like a melody, sweeter than 1,000 songs. Forever in your loving eyes. I see tomorrow shining bright, with your love surrounding me. Everything feels right, oh girl. When I look into your eyes, I see forever. Walking hand in hand beside the sea, nothing else means more to me. The palm trees sway to the island breeze. Your gentle love brings perfect peace. We don't need riches or a crown. Your sweet embrace is all I found. Every heartbeat calls your name, and nothing will ever be the same. The sunset paints the sky with gold, a beautiful story our hearts have told. Every kiss feels warm and true. Me thank Jah every day for you. Forever in your loving eyes, the whole world fades away. Every moment spent with you makes me smile every day. Forever in your loving eyes, I find hope and endless grace. No matter where this life may lead, your love is my safest place. Oh girl, the stars may fade, the seasons may change, but every time I look at you, I fall in love all over again. Jah knew exactly what my heart needed the day He brought you into my life. Years from now when we grow old, our love will be worth more than gold. Silver hair and gentle smile, still walking every extra mile. We'll watch the sunrise hand in hand, leaving footprints in the sand. Every wrinkle tells a story true of a lifetime spent loving you. No matter what tomorrow brings, you'll always be my everything until my final breath is through. My heart belongs to only you. Yeah, man. The ocean will keep flowing, the moon will keep glowing, but one thing will never change. Every time I look into your eyes, I see love, I see peace, I see forever. Forever in your loving eyes. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, one heart, one soul, one beautiful journey. From the moment you came into my life, me knew there would only be one love, one lifetime. Me was searching for a love so true, then Jah led my footsteps straight to you. Like the sunrise over the Caribbean Sea, you became the sweetest part of me. Your smile shines brighter than the morning light, turning every dark day into something bright. Every little word you softly say makes my worries fade away. Hand in hand along the sandy shore, every day me love you more. The ocean sings our melody, a song of love and harmony. Every heartbeat calls your name, nothing in my life's the same. When you hold me close tonight, everything just feels so right. One love, one lifetime, forever you'll be mine. With every beat inside my heart, your soul is wrapped in mine. One love, one lifetime, Jah brought our hearts as one. Through every sunset, every sunrise, our journey has begun. Oh girl, forever by your side. One love, one lifetime. Me don't need treasures made of gold, your faithful love is worth much more. Every kiss upon my face fills my heart with endless grace. The reggae rhythm softly plays, bringing joy to all our days. The palm trees sway with every breeze, while your love brings perfect peace. When the rain begins to fall, I'll still be there through it all. No matter where this road may lead, your love is all I'll ever need. One love, one lifetime, nothing could compare. Every dream I've ever dreamed is found within your care. One love, one lifetime, a blessing from above. Jah has written our story with everlasting love. Oh girl, years may come, years may go, but one thing will never change. Every morning, every evening, we'll keep choosing you, because true love is forever. When our hair turns silver gray, we'll still love you every day. We laugh about the years gone by, watching birds fly through the sky. We'll dance beneath the evening stars, no matter where in life we are. Every wrinkle tells our story, a lifetime filled with love and glory. Me thank Jah for every day, for leading me along this way. The greatest blessing heaven gave was the love we chose to say. One love, One love forever. Yeah, man. The waves will keep rolling, the stars will keep shining, the music will keep playing, and as long as my heart keeps beating, it will only sing one song. One love, one lifetime.